Alright guys, we're doing the update on the suspension. You see over here. We're almost done. It's a little bit, it's not an easy job, only because it's tedious. You gotta adjust, the coilovers. You have to also, even the rubber bushes that go in the back and the rear, you have to like trim them down just a hair so they fit into the rear coilovers or the spring. Overall, I'm gonna do a little bit of footage to show you guys, but so far so good. This is the proper way to install them, guys, whoever decides to do it. The coil, the adjustable goes on top, not on the bottom. And this part right here, the ring around it, that's where you gotta. Front, guys. I love these little end links. Good thing they came with it, because this is the version 2. Mine were all beat up, the original ones. This is the aftermarket also. That's my old suspension, blown out. It's not supposed to look like